So these are the AirPods Max, and my first impressions are they look really Apple. I can tell right away that the materials used in these are kind of already separating them from other headphones in the market. The ear cups are made out of solid blocks of aluminum, while the inside of the headband is made from stainless steel, which makes adjusting the size of these headphones super satisfying. And surrounding the stainless steel, there's this kind of rubbery material with a soft mesh on the very top and on the ear pads. And I have to say that after wearing these for about an hour or so before filming this video, I am really happy that Apple included this mesh on the headband because these headphones are super heavy thanks to the high quality materials. And other headphones like the Sony WH-1000XM4s are mainly made out of plastic, so they're a little over 100 grams lighter than these. And personally, I actually really like the weight in these because it makes the headphones feel a little bit more premium and they're still super comfortable. And I did pick up this silver color which looks really clean, but there are 4 other options including pink, green, space gray, and sky blue. I think all of the colors look really cool except for the green one. For some reason the green just looks a little off to me. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about that price tag. Being a very expensive $549, these headphones better do some incredible things. And in a way, Apple has almost separated themselves from every other pair of headphones in the market. And here's what I mean by that. We have the super expensive $1,000 to $2,000 to even sometimes $3,000 audiophile headphones that can be used for music production. And then you have the everyday wireless headphones like the Sony WH-1000XM4s or the Bose noise cancelling 700s that are around that $250 to $300 mark. And then there's the AirPods Max. Being Apple, of course they want their headphones to be unique and not categorized with other headphones in the market. So I think they said, what if we produced really high quality headphones for people in the Apple ecosystem that want really clean audio, they want some of the best features, but they don't want the very top of the line $1,000 or $2,000 headphones that are almost made for music production. And Apple is obviously doing something right because these headphones are sold out for 12 to 14 weeks at the time of this video. And talking more about the headphones themselves, there are definitely some positives, but also some big negatives that I have with them. And starting off with the positives, my first impressions with the sound quality, the noise cancellation, and all of that kind of stuff is really, really good. The materials are super premium, they pair seamlessly with all of my Apple devices, and they really do have some incredible features. There are actually sensors built into these headphones, so if I were to take them off my head, then it will pause whatever I'm listening to, and then if I put them back on, then it will resume it. And Apple also included a digital crown from the Apple Watch that allows you to pause or play your music, change the volume, and skip tracks. Plus an additional button that turns noise cancelling on or off, and there's also a transparency mode that works incredibly well. If you're not familiar with transparency mode, it allows you to hear your surroundings, so if you needed to hear your bus stop or anything like that, then you'll be able to hear it just fine. And these also have spatial audio, which is kind of difficult to explain, but it's super cool. Pretty much what it is kind of like a surround sound experience because you can hear sounds from almost in front of you and behind you. And I bet playing movies with these are going to be incredible. But let's go ahead and talk about the negatives. The first big negative I have is with this case. To be honest, I think Apple did a really, really poor job on this case because you put the headphones in this case like so, and it doesn't even cover the most fragile part of the headphones, which is this mesh on the top. And it also looks like a purse. It doesn't magnetize very well. And in order to turn the headphones off, you have to put them back inside of this case. So if you accidentally forget and leave your headphones outside of the case, then they're just going to be draining their battery while they're outside of their case. And that's the one thing that I really can't stand about these headphones. Now, I do have to admit that the case itself is made out of pretty nice materials and is soft to the touch, but I think Apple could have done a way better job at designing it and protecting the headphones a little bit more. Of course, the price tag is also up there at $549, but so far it seems to me that with the seamless pairing with Apple devices, the high quality materials, the incredible sound quality and noise cancellation, and with avid Apple users with the budget, it may just be worth it. And in my in-depth review, I will definitely cover that. So these are some very Apple headphones. Being extremely unique with high quality materials and a minimal design, I really do like the AirPods Max so far. Yes, the price is definitely a stretch and they are just very different in general, but I kind of feel like Apple products when they're first released, they're always kind of different from the other products in the market. And it does seem like Apple always lives up to my expectations. If you guys want to see my full in-depth review of the AirPods Max, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to destroy that like button. But with all of that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!